Configuring and fine-tuning matches when deduplicating customer and supplier data can be a complex and cumbersome process. The system integrators and consultants will often have to write complex JavaScript or even train a machine learning model themselves to meet the business requirements when building and fine-tuning the necessary matches. To reduce the complexity when configuring and tuning matches as part of building a customer and supplier data matching algorithm, Stibo Systems introduce in this update a fully mature and ready-to-use address matcher, using a pre-trained machine learning model that captures industry standards and complex address matching edge cases. The new address matcher complements the person name machine learning matcher, which was released in a previous update. The update reduces the skills and effort required by the system integrators and consultants to establish a high-performing matching algorithm that meets the business requirements. In this video, we will look at setting up a matching algorithm, adding a pre-trained machine learning address matcher. Selecting System Setup and the Match Codes and Matching Algorithms folder reveals the existing matching algorithms. We will select the individual matching default algorithm. This is what a matching algorithm could look like, containing several normalizers, matches, and rules, etc. Please note that there is already a ML matcher available. This matcher uses the ML name matcher introduced in a previous update. To edit the match criteria, make sure that the match criteria tab is selected and then edit match criteria. First, a normalizer must be added. We will add the address normalizer version 2, which supports the machine learning address matcher and replaces the older superseded address normalizer that cannot be used together with the ML address matcher. Configuring the normalizer, we select not to use attributes and add the data container main address. Evaluating, we note that the output contains both input and standardized address values. We will select OK to save. Next, we will configure the already existing ML matcher. Selecting the new version v2.0, which reveals a new input field reserved for the address normalizer just created. Please note that this matcher handles inputs from both the name and the address normalizer. This optimizes performance. Next, we choose to evaluate, and we note that the scores from both the name and the address matcher are displayed. The scores reveals that the matchers can handle nicknames as well as different zip codes and address formats. In the rules table, we will replace the old address matcher with the new one, the ML matcher.address. Finally, norm address v2 or version 2 will be added to the name and address match code generator. Again, evaluating to confirm the output of the match code generator. To clean up, we will remove the superseded normalizer and the old address matcher. To verify the matching, we will evaluate, revealing the match scores from the matches, the matching rules, and the final match score. This concludes the illustration of setting up an individual matching algorithm, adding the email address matcher.